Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add your Samsung Galaxy A56 as stolen on the IMEI.info page. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see now I am on the IMEI.info page. All you need to do is to type IMEI.info, press enter and you'll get into this page, and in here you need to type your IMEI number. Okay, and now we need to simply click on check IMEI. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks free, and below we have the lost device ad. So now we can simply click on it. In here we type our IMEI number but also we can type both of them. In here we have the IMEI too. Below is the serial number. Also, if you want, you can type it. And now the city, you just give the information where it was lost. In here you type the email number. In here you type your number. Okay, also you can type the price. Let it be $150. Oh no, that's too much. Let it be $50. Also the country. I'm gonna select the Poland, but I need to find it first, so give me a second. Alright, Poland. Description: describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. In here you can also type it. So I'm gonna think about the quick story and I will type it here. So give me a second. Okay, so that's the simple description that I just wrote, but if you lost your phone, it's good for you to describe it as much as you can with all the details. Also in here you'll type your contact name, and here the date. And also you need to type it in this format. So first it needs to be year, then the month, and then the day. So let it be something like that. And in here you need to make sure that all of those two boxes are confirmed. So it can be like that, it needs to be like that. So we need to confirm both of these small boxes, and now you simply click on report lost/stolen IMEI. Okay, now we have thanks for reporting, your application requires verification. Please check your email. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna log into my Gmail. Okay, in here we have to verify your email for report. And let's click on verify your request. Okay, and now it's confirmed. Your request has been verified. And now we can go back for now. And also on that page you can check the status. I'll also show you that. In here you can pick the lost device check. In here you again type your email number. And in here now you need to click check lost/stolen status. And now as you can see, this device is reported in IMEI.info lost/stolen database. And also you have our description right in here, the city, the incident date, the price, contact name, email, phone number, and it's verified and reported. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.